So we start shuffling the Rubik's Cube now. Okay, so the Rubik's Cube is shuffled now, so we need to fix it first. So the first thing you need to remember solving the Rubik's Cubes is you need to make the one color on the top. So we start on the white side. So so in the beginner, so you need to make one color. Okay, so we have a one color. So we need to so the one thing you need to remember making the first layer is all sides are the same. So okay, if you look this and this, so you need to switch this. So the way you do this, like this. Like that. So all the sides are equal now. So once again, so we need to switch these two. So the way we switch that's like this. Like that. So we need to switch it again. So on the right side. Like that. So so this is the first layer. So on the first layer you need to make one color and all the sides are the same. So we build the yellow piece. So let's practice. So let's build the yellow. Ooh. Okay, so we build the first layer and the side. So what about, okay, one more time. So we build the white pieces. So okay, all the colors, so we need to pair all the sides. So here we need to switch this. So the way we do it, like the same. Yeah, like that. So this is the first layer.